Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Files and download this free app from Google Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on Continue in the first pop-up. Select Allow in the second one. And click on the gray switcher next to Files by Google. Finally, you can tap on Clean section above Browse on the left and tap on Clean next to Junk files. Lastly, confirm your choice by tapping on Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my tablet was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!